Okay, so today I'm just trying to make a quick video on how to help you set up your Canvas homepage and make it just more interesting and more user-friendly for your kids. Especially if we have any virtual learning or for virtual learning students, all of these picture buttons right down here, they're called buttons. Like I've made them to where they actually can link to modules. So like I'm gonna have this link to a video here to meet me like on first day, link to our syllabus here for the first week, and then by week for the first 6 weeks. Now I'll change these throughout the year. I'll change them to say other things, but these button pictures can stay the same. I'll just link them to different places. So for example, I'm gonna go to the one that I've actually linked, so you can just see what I mean. So they would have their homepage with students. As soon as they come to Canvas, this is what my homepage would look like. They would see this, they would hover over this and see that the hand pops up and they can click on it, August 18th through 21st, and they'd see their assignments in here. And I haven't put assignments in here, I haven't got that far. But just the same way you would put assignments, you'd go you'd add your assignments, your pages, whatever you wanted to add. It's going to take them to that, and every single time they come back to Canvas, it's just going to redirect them back to that home page so they can find everything in one concise spot. Okay, so if you are interested in making something like this, it doesn't have to be as cutesy. Like mine is super colorful, super cutesy, because that's my personality. If you can definitely tone this way down. The banner doesn't even have to be a Bitmoji classroom. But basically I'm going to show you how to do it, and then you can change it as you see fit. So here we go. Let's start with what you would need to do first. So if you're interested in the Bitmoji classroom, I'm not going to make a video on that right now because how I learned how to do it was looking at YouTube. They have so many YouTube videos on how to make these right now because they're super popular. And there are templates, like this is literally a template. The only thing I changed in this was I moved it around and I added my Bitmoji. That's it. Everything else was already like this already. So there are templates out on the web. You can find them. And I can send you the ones that I have if you're interested, but they are out there. So let's pretend you have your Bitmoji classroom and you're ready to insert it. Or, you know what, just in case, real quickly I can show you, what if you are, sorry, that's an alarm, what if you are not the kind of person to have a Bitmoji classroom, like you want something way less cutesy, way more simple, so you can insert, where is it, new slide, am I just like, oh gosh. It's right there. Okay, so insert your new slide. Okay, so here we are. And let's say you wanted to make it less cutesy. So all you're going to do is do a fill color. You're going to make it some colors, whatever color you want to do, like that. Or maybe you actually do want to have a background image. You can go right here to background. You can choose an image. I had clouds up earlier. Obviously, you can choose something that you are interested in. Why is it not working when I choose that one? I guess I can't choose that cloud. It doesn't want to be chosen. So sometimes happens. I did have to like kind of jump around and pick pictures that worked, but most of them work. I don't usually have a problem. So now I have clouds in the background, got some colors, right? And then I can add my text. Welcome to my history class. I mean, like you can make this whatever you want. Obviously, then you can highlight it and then make it way bigger, way bigger. I'm not going to spend time making it look pretty, but you can go and put it in the middle, you can make it bold, and then you have this be your banner instead of a Bitmoji classroom. It can certainly be that simple. It doesn't have to be like this, but again, I stole this one off the internet. It's not actually difficult to get a Bitmoji classroom, and there are lots of tutorials on how to get your Bitmoji into it. All right, so let's show you how to get it in there. First off, the size. So this is where you'd probably have to pause the video to make sure that yours fit. So after you have your Google slide that you think you want, it's going to have to be the correct size. So you go down here to page setup, and this is the size you want. Now it can be slightly different than this, but it's going to be close to this. So I had to go to custom. So I think it starts as widescreen as like a normal Google slide, and you go to custom, and then these numbers, 16.67 is what you need to type in, times 4.17, and it's in inches, and you hit apply. And then it's going to be like this long banner that you're seeing here. So you can put that at the top. Now, how do I get that at the top? I'm going to go back to the class I'm trying to create. So here's my chemistry class. I want to make that home page. So I'm going to go to Pages. I'm going to create a new page. No. And up here I'm going to put chemistry home page because I want to create a new home page. And then here at the top, now there is a couple different ways to put in your Bitmoji classroom. In the beginning I was embedding it, which was pretty cool. But I have heard that sometimes when you embed it, it doesn't work on some devices, like some phones. So then I heard that this might be a better way to work on all devices, is just inputting in an image. So how do I put in an image? Is we go back to, so we're ready to put it in. I'm going to go back to our banner and hit File. And we're going to go to Download. So not Save As, it's Download. And it needs to be a PNG or a JPEG. Both are supposed to work. I've been doing PNGs. So it's going to open up down here after it loads. So I have this little chemistry banner open up as a PNG. It's right here. Go to these little 3 dots and you'll hit Save As. And I've been saving mine in a thing called buttons because they're my clickable buttons in my home pages. So I made a little file in my pictures and I've already saved it. So I'm not going to resave it, but that is where I would save it. Okay. So just X out of that. I've already done it. Then I'm going to go back to my chemistry homepage, the page I'm trying to make, and it's up here. So this little icon, you're going to click it, you're going to hit upload image. Right here, this should pop up, you'll click it, and you'll take it to wherever you saved your picture. Mine is up because I've been doing it all day. So I have my chemistry banner, I hit open, and I hit submit. And voila, I have my banner. Great. Now, I like that. I think it's cute, but it's just cute. Like, there's no other purpose to that other than being like, hi, welcome, it's cute. So now I want to add some clickable buttons that are actually, like, functional, usable, something that I'm interested in, okay? So what I have been doing, there's a lot of ways to add buttons, and your buttons can literally look like anything. I'm just going to show you what I did to create them, and then you can do something similar and make them look totally different if you want to, but, like, the process will be the same. Okay, so what I thought to make it a little easier to keep track of is I made a table. So right here, see this thing looks like a table. I'm going to insert a table. I wanted mine to be 4 by 4. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Because like I showed you in my previous slide, I have my Meet Me here, I have my syllabus here, and then I have the 6 weeks. So first week, second week, third week, fourth week, so forth. Okay, now I want to put my buttons in there. But I haven't showed you how to make those. So let's go back to show you how to make buttons. Here we go. So I have another Google slide page just devoted to my classes buttons. Now the first part about this is your size. Again, the most important thing about how to make these work format wise is sizing it. So after you have your Google slide open and you've labeled it buttons, you're going to go File, Page Setup. And this is your setup. So again, I customize it, so I didn't do any of these standard ones. I went to custom size, and it's 2.6 times 2.6 inches. Now, I've tested a couple different sizes. It doesn't have to be exactly this for it to work. This was just what I've decided to stick with, what I thought looked good on my screen. So that's what you will change it to, and you'll hit apply. And then there'll be, this looks giant, but when you embed them into Canvas, they're actually really small. It's just zoomed in right now, okay? So this is one of my chemistry buttons. So like for the week, here they are. Here's my buttons. But how did I do that? Okay, so again, really easy. Back here, you can hit background. You can just do the color. That's what I did for my chemistry ones, was I just picked a color. You could choose an image though, and that could be your background if you want to get fancier like that. Instead of putting a cute picture like this, you could literally just put words. Like you could literally just put August 18th. That's it. Like you could just do dates, or maybe you want to do assignments. Maybe you don't like how I have it set up by weeks and you want to do assignments, and that be your button tab. And then you'll have a tab for due dates, and you'll have a tab for whatever you want to have buttons for. It made sense for me to do it by week, but I'm just showing you how to make a button and how to make it link it in Canvas to wherever you wanted it to do. Okay, so let's say you've made your button. Maybe this is what you wanted to do. I'm going to use my actual one that I want to do and show you how to do it. And just like last time, we're going to File, and we're going to download it as a PNG. So each time we have to save these as actual images. So I download as a PNG, go to these little dots, hit save as, and just like I showed before, I have them in buttons. I've already saved them all. They're all ready to go. So I'm not going to resave it. It's in there. Ooh, okay. Now I'm going to go back to my class. I'm building my pages here, right? And now how do I get them in here? It's the same. You go to images, you upload an image, and I'm going to choose my chemistry, so meet me chemistry button right there. I have my methane bubbles I was lighting in that picture. Can't do that anymore, but it was a cool picture. And then I have more, so now I'm just going to do this really quickly now because I've already showed you how to do it. So you just pick your buttons. It's the same process over and over, just tabbing over into the next box. You're going to images, you're uploading an image, clicking here, going to where you've saved it, clicking on your button, submit. Okay, so I'm just slowly setting this up. Now, I'll finish this later. I'm going to pause and show you how to link it. Okay, so this is all great, but I want it to actually go somewhere, right? So if I want my Meet My Castleberry to actually take it to a video where they're going to meet me, is I'm going to go up here, right here, and it says external links. So I'm going to link it. Now you have to insert a link. So I haven't created my Meet Me YouTube video yet, but I do have a YouTube channel. So I'll just go to my channel and pick a video that I've made. Here, we'll do my TikTok that I made last year. Oh, lovely face. And I'll hit share. So I'll copy that link. Copy. Pretty sure I did it. Okay. And then we'll go back to our pages. I'm going to insert that link. Paste. Done. Greatness. Should work. Ooh, I made it bigger. See, I haven't actually done the video one before. Image options. Embed text. Display text link. Opens in a new tab. What does that do? No, I hate that. I do not know why it changed on my sizes like that. I'm going to try it again. So upload an image, go back, give me my button back. It is resizing it. Oh no! Okay, I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to figure it out. I'm going to make video part 2.